Experience is the best teacher. Yeah, you've heard it before, but what if you could gain that experience in a completely immersive, risk-free environment, mastering new skills without ever leaving your home? Whether it's learning guitar, flying a plane, or performing complex surgeries, all of this is possible within a virtual world that feels just as real as the physical one. Thanks to extended reality or XR, this technology is transforming how everyone, from hobbyists to professionals in high-risk fields, learns and masters new skills. But how? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's first understand what XR is and why it's so powerful. XR is an umbrella term that includes virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. XR provides a hands-on learning experience without the limitations of the physical world. Maybe you want to practice a new language, but you're tired of books or apps. So why not just immerse yourself in a virtual environment where you can interact with native speakers in real time, no matter where you are? This kind of immersive learning can accelerate skill acquisition and make the process much more engaging. Don't believe it? Transfer Inc.'s blood pressure training simulations were able to create a 43% learning gain. Meanwhile, the side groups using traditional learning methods experienced a far lower 26% gain. In a different case, XR immersive labs were able to increase undergraduate students' motivation to learn kinesiology. Really, anyone can dive into the immersive world of XR. For example, apps like Soundstage VR and Melody VR open up virtual spaces where aspiring musicians can practice and perform. Melody VR lets users experience live performances in virtual reality, while Soundstage VR allows them to create and experiment with music in a 3D environment, simulating the feel of a high-tech music studio. Another hobby thriving in the XR space is painting. With tools like Google's Tilt Brush, artists can create 3D art in a virtual environment, enabling them to explore different styles and techniques without the constraints of a physical canvas. Sports enthusiasts will also enjoy the numerous tools made with XR to practice and refine their skills. Take golfers, for example. AR apps like GolfScope allow them to analyze their swing and receive real-time feedback, helping to improve their technique right from home. Another great example is Supernatural, a VR fitness app that transforms routine workouts into exhilarating experiences by blending exercise with gameplay. While primarily focused on fitness, this technology could easily be adapted for learning complex dance routines or martial arts, offering real-time feedback and personalized coaching. But for now, given how new this technology is, most of the developments on XR are still focused on professionals. One of the most notable examples is in the medical field. Surgeons and medical students can now use VR to practice complex procedures in a risk-free environment. Platforms like OssoVR provide highly realistic surgical simulations, enabling surgeons to perfect their techniques before operating on actual patients. Studies have shown that this type of immersive training can significantly improve surgical outcomes as it allows for repeated practice and an in-depth understanding of the anatomy. Even in the world of manufacturing and engineering, XR is starting to become a game changer. Companies like Porsche use AR to train technicians on how to repair and maintain vehicles. With AR glasses, trainees can see step-by-step instructions overlaid directly onto the physical components they're working on, reducing the learning curve and improving accuracy. XR isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a powerful tool that's already transforming how we learn and master new skills. While many developments are currently focused on professional fields like medicine, aviation, and engineering, the potential for XR to revolutionize education, training, and personal growth is limitless. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that will make learning more accessible, engaging, and effective for all. But what we've discussed today is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover in the world of XR. Let us know in the comments what skills you'd love to master using XR.